Welcome to Easy English with us. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello and welcome to my channel, Easy English with Us. Today we're going to listen to a conversation about the most common English words. Are you ready? Let's go! Greeting and introduction dialogue. Hello. Hello.
Hi, how are you today? Hi, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you? I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. It's a sunny day, isn't it? I'm good. It's a sunny day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Perfect weather to meet new friends. Yes, it is. Perfect weather to meet new friends.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is Kate. And you? My name is Kate. And you?
I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Kate. I'm Alex. Nice to meet you, Kate.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from the USA. It's a big country in North America. I'm from the USA. It's a big country in North America.
Wow, that's interesting. I'm from England. Wow, that's interesting. I'm from England.
I would love to visit England one day. I would love to visit England one day.
How old are you, if you don't mind? How old are you, if you don't mind?
I'm 20 years old. And you? I'm 20 years old. And you?
I'm 21. I'm 21.
Are you a student or do you work? Are you a student or do you work?
I'm a student at university. I study computer science. I'm a student at university. I study computer science.
That's great. I study English literature. That's great. I study English literature.
That sounds interesting. Do you like it? That sounds interesting. Do you like it?
Yes, very much. Yes, very much.
What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies?
I like reading books and watching movies. What about you? I like reading books and watching movies. What about you?
I enjoy playing football and learning new languages. I enjoy playing football and learning new languages.
Oh, that's cool. Football is very popular in the USA too. Oh, that's cool. Football is very popular in the USA too.
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister. And you? Yes, I have one brother and one sister. And you?
I have two sisters. We are very close. I have two sisters. We are very close.
It was nice talking to you, Alex. It was nice talking to you, Alex.
Me too, Kate. Let's talk again soon. Me too, Kate. Let's talk again soon.
Sure, see you later. Sure, see you later.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
I hope this conversation has enriched your memory. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, activate the bell, and like if you enjoyed the video. See you soon!